What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Mezzy Shredder. I make playing guitar easy, and today I'm going to show you the simplest way to master like incredible down picking. You will dominate on this skill. I'm going to give you the ticket. There's only one. There's only one way to do everything simple and great, and that's the way that I show it. So watch this channel for everything simple. It is the simplest way to learn to play anything on guitar. Even if the technique is complicated, I break it down. This is no different. I'm going to take about a few minutes to show you how fast and easy you can master down picking. I imagine if you watch this video all the way through, you will get this down in 30 days or less. If you have down picking experience, I cannot see how this is going to take you more than 30 days. If you put the proper amount of time in a month, you're there. This is done. This is easy. This is going to be a short video on how to master your down picking because I'm not filling it with fluff. Here we go. Down picking requires one thing: dedication to the metronome. That's it. That little gnomey guy. You got to love this thing. So here we are. I can't even do it. I'm not even going to start at a turtle speed because I know you guys don't want to see starting off in first grade. I'm going to begin this thing at 152 beats per minute. I'm going to test it to make sure I find my spot. I'm going to show you everything going on. What we're going to do here is we want to get 2 clicks, an eighth note basically pumping to this click. So we got to find the spot on the click. It might take you a couple seconds, even me. I got to get into the mode of that dot, wherever speed it's at. The faster it is, the easier it is for me to get to it. So I backed it down to 152. I think, it's a pretty good spot to start. We need the eighth note. Here we go. Once you can establish your eighth note pump, 2 clicks per, 2 pumps per click, and you got it, there's a couple things you can do. You can start adding in some chords to see if you can keep this consistency while you're moving your hands around. Okay, now as you establish that, you move faster. Or before you start switching the chords, you can just move faster. Hey, I can play 152. Let me see if I can do the next one, which is 160. You would move it up and just stay on the pump. Once you know you've got that down and you can do that, I would try to do it for like 15, 20 seconds so that you're going to play more than 5 seconds if you're using the sound. So I would go up, we're going to go to 176. So you're noticing, hey, I can keep time at 152. You can jump 1 click if you want, or if you think that's the real easy speed, you might jump a couple clicks like this. Now, I'm assuming you know the palm mute. If you don't, well, that's what we're using here. The palm mute is just putting my hand on the back of the strings, and I'm waiting for that palm muted sound to take place by sliding my fingers up over the guitar and getting that. So it's simply just putting the fat meat of your hand on the back of the strings and getting that spot where it's not too muted and it's not muted enough in the middle. That's how you're getting this palm mute, and we're using that to pump eighth notes. It's basically what we're doing here. So what you need to do is just find your spot where you're comfortable and then start working your way up from there. This machine only goes to 208. I'll max it out for you. Here's 184. And you just keep moving as you realize, hey, I can do this speed. You move it 1 click at a time, and your brain really doesn't know when you're when you're over 152. Your brain doesn't really know 8 more clicks. So you can go 1 click, and you probably get it. We're up at 192 now. Okay, you just keep working your way up. Take this machine. Let's just jump right to 208. This is the fastest this machine goes. When you do an eighth note, you're pumping 2 times per click, as I stated before, and here's 208. You want to try different things because you're going to do different things rhythmically. So you might be... and that is down picking. You need a metronome to really develop your skills. When you're talking about shredding and metal and things like that, and you get above 130 or 40 beats per minute, you've got to use a metronome to increase the speeds. And for down picking is the fastest way to increase your speed and become tight doing it. This is the way. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying and are able to do this. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment and I will get back to you. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.